Welcome to your apps guide on navigating the More screen. Think of this screen as your trusty directory for all the cool features that aren't in the bottom navigation bar. Let's dive in. Find more awesome features that aren't in your bottom navigation. Head over to the More screen. It's your go-to spot for everything else. You'll find course videos, a list of resources, workshops, blogs, saved items in the vault. And if you're part of the A360 program, your personalized program too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this.